Good morning. Daybreak. Atop of the half.
Panic in halfway tree as man climbs on top of transport center. Man shot after being called to location for delivery. Business owner uses gun to scare off man who accused him of causing breakup. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The police have been called to a section of Halfway Tree in St. Andrew following reports that a man has climbed on top of the transport center in the busy commercial district. The man claims his actions are aimed at highlighting the need for attention to be paid to the welfare of firefighters. The incident has attracted a large gathering. More details to come later. 4 months ago, a man was called to a location in Content Garden, St. Anne to make a delivery. However, when he got there, he was reportedly met with gunfire. His alleged shooter is now in police custody, facing several charges. The police, in a release Monday, stated that Tyreek Hill, 22 of Charlestown in St. Anne, was charged with several offenses under the Offenses Against the Person Act and the Firearms Act following the November 2, 2022 incident. The charges are wounded with intent, possession of a prohibited weapon, unauthorized possession of ammunition, and using a prohibited weapon to commit a felony. Reports from the Sentence Bay Police are that about 12:25 p.m., a man was called to the location to make a delivery when he was allegedly pounced upon by Hill, who opened gunfire hitting him. The man managed to escape and was assisted to the hospital where he was admitted. Hill was charged on Sunday after an identification parade. His court date is to be finalized, the police stated. Police in St. Anne have launched an investigation after a businessman was forced to fire his weapon when a man came to his garage and destroyed several vehicles while taunting allegations that the business owner ruined his relationship. The incident took place early Sunday morning in the Cave Valley area of the parish. The circumstances surrounding the allegations are unclear. Police reported that around 2:45 a.m., the businessman was sleeping at a garage he operated when a man turned up and accused him of breaking up his relationship with his woman. The man, the police stated, used a bus axle to destroy several vehicles in the garage. This forced the businessman to pull his licensed firearm and discharge 4 rounds into the air. Upon seeing this, the man fled, leaving the bus axle. The businessman's firearm has since been seized for ballistic tests, the police stated.